Introduction to Markdown Note-Taking Apps.
Discover how to build a simple note-taking application with Markdown support. Using Markdown allows users to format notes efficiently and stay organized. Let's explore why Markdown is a popular choice and how to lay the foundation for your own application.
Key features of a Markdown Note app.
A great note-taking app with Markdown includes basic features such as creating, editing, and deleting notes. It should support formatting like headings, lists, and emphasis through Markdown syntax. Live preview functionality is helpful, letting users see formatted content as they write.
Choosing the right technologies.
Select technologies that fit your goals and experience level. For a simple desktop app, consider using Electron with JavaScript, HTML, and CSS. For web-based apps, frameworks like React or Vue can help build interactive interfaces, while libraries such as Marked.js handle Markdown rendering.
Implementing core functionality.
Start by setting up input and display areas. Allow users to type notes in a text area and view formatted output. Integrate a Markdown parser to convert written Markdown into styled HTML automatically. Add options to save, edit, and delete notes for full functionality.
Enhancing organization and usability.
Organizing notes is essential for usability. Consider features like folders, tags, or search to help users manage their information. Auto-saving, version history, and dark mode are popular additions that improve user experience in note-taking applications.